I'm gonna talk about the application Busuu. It is a language learning application, and for me, the purpose of using this is for students who want to learn English language. And then, what is Busuu? I will explain a little bit about this application. So, it's an application that provides English lessons for English learners. So you can see that there are many activities or topic or levels for students to learn how to use English language. From here, the little icon, it is different because it will be different as vocabulary, grammars, or conversation, reading, listening. And why does Busuu work? So the important thing for this application is teach English from a natural language. I mean, the native speakers also use this application to learn other languages. So we can find people from all around the world who we can add friend, or we can talk or chat with them about their practice of English speaking or writing in a conversation, or the writing practice that you can see here is the writing that I try to submit in the system, and then this one from United Kingdom come to correct my writing, so we can add friends so students can learn to talk with other people from the application. And how to integrate in the curriculum. So each week student will be assigned a general topic for studying that connect to the lesson, such as food or travel. And then they can select any lesson and sub-lesson in Busuu that relate to the topic and complete the lesson that they are interested to learn. How to use it? So students can sign up for free and choose any lesson that they want to learn and decide how and when to learn themselves. So now I will show you how to sign up for Busuu. And when you go to Busuu website, you can just see that there are many lessons. There are many lessons on this application. So you just sign up for a new account, or you have to use a Google account like me, that I can just sign in by my Google account, and then you can choose the lesson that you want to learn from the beginner A1 to the A2 here. So you can see that I tried using this application before, and the green color and the person here is mean that I have already completed the learning the lesson in this application. So if you want to learn about travel, so for example, I want students to learn about travel, they can find any lesson that they feel interested. And when you click into the lesson that you are interested, you will see that there are many activities. For example, this is vocabulary, and here memorize. So memorize the vocabulary that you have learned from the first activity. And this one is quiz, so it will be ask you a question about the vocabulary that you have learned in the lesson before. Also, you can also watch a video from the same topic, which is about vacation. And here will be a dialogue that you can listen to people talking about vacation, and there will be an activity inside each sub lesson that you can try to practice your English. This one also video and dialogue again, and then also this is a grammar part that you can develop your understanding of grammar. For example, in this lesson it will be about future tense because they are planning to go for a vacation. This one is practice about the grammar that you learn from the previous lesson, and this one is the productive skill, which is the writing or speaking that you can finish the assignment by just speaking to the recording or writing in the assignment and then submit to the application, and you will find native speakers come to give you feedbacks or revise your writing for you. So now I will show some of the activity that you can learn in this application. For example, if you want to learn vocabulary, we just click here, and then there will be some vocabulary that you can listen to it, memorize the meaning, and then just have some quiz to test you. So this will be some explanation about holiday, and then
Can't wait to.
the vocabulary that you can also play it again as you want,
Can't wait to.
or just try to listen to example sentence.
I can't wait to go to South America next month.
I can't wait to go on vacation next week.
So you can listen and they will ask some understanding of the meaning. Okay, for this is
Can't wait for.
another example of the vocabulary. Then you will have some exercise like I can't wait for our holiday. Okay, so this is more I can't wait to visit my friend. So you can learn about the preposition as well. He can't wait to go to India.
To get away.
Get away.
Okay, that is an example of how to use it. And then I will show you about the part that you can use for the final product is called review. So you can click on the review section and then it will show your vocabulary that you have already learned. For example, for me, I have learned a lot of vocabulary, and then there will be a summary. So I just ask you to screenshot the page that summarizes your learning, and then you will submit it as a product in the this is the sample product that you get the screenshot, and then you can report on what you learn and what you want to share with your friends or the teacher. And this is how to use Busuu, and I think it will be useful for learning English language anytime or anywhere when you have your free time, and then just report it on the final product about what you have learned.